How to fix drives not detected or running slow on Windows 11? Hi everyone, Shay here. Is your drive missing or running slow on Windows 11? Let's fix it in minutes. First, ensure your BIOS, Windows, and storage drivers are fully updated. Keeping your system updated is key to instantly resolving most hardware-related issues. When a drive isn't showing up, navigate to Disk Management with administrator rights to check its status. For an offline disk, right-click and select Online. For unallocated space, simply right-click it and select New Simple Volume. Then, follow the on-screen wizard to format your drive. If the drive is missing a letter, choose Change Drive Letter and Paths to add one. Otherwise, open Device Manager, verify the hardware under the Disk Drives section, enable the device if it's disabled, or simply select Uninstall and Reboot to let Windows automatically reinstall the driver. A sluggish drive can lead to slow file access or overall system lag. To address this, navigate to This PC, right-click the slow drive, and open Properties. Under the Tools tab, run Error Checking to fix file system issues. Or click Optimize to let the system automatically tune your drive for maximum throughput. You can also run My ASUS System Diagnosis for a dedicated hardware health check, though the tool options may vary slightly depending on your product. If the problem started recently, try a system restore. As a last resort, back up your files and consider a system reset. If these steps didn't do the trick, please reach out to ASUS Support. We're always here to help. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS Support channel, like the video or leave comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.